We are back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to monetize YouTube videos for beginners. Before we get started, I said in step number 8, video number 8, I said to you that I'm going to show you what a completed video looks like, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. So if you're on your home screen, this is what the home screen looks like when you've entered your YouTube channel. Then you're going to click on YouTube Studio. So I don't really like this whole upgrade. So I prefer using classic mode because I'm not familiar with this whole YouTube beta studio thing as yet. So hopefully by the time you watch this video, you will be able to access Creator Studio Classic, but it will be very close to the same thing. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom here, it says Creator Studio Classic on the bottom left hand side of your screen. You want to click on that. Then I just say the reason for me not using Studio Beta is general navigation is difficult. Then I click submit, and then I wait for it to convert me back to Creator Studio Classic. Just give 1 second while that's quickly busy converting. Okay, so as you can see, I'm back to the classic mode. Then what you want to do is on your left hand side, forget about all these. All these are activated because I'm using vidIQ, which is this thing right here. That is why I've got all of this. You want to click on Video Manager. As soon as you've clicked on Video Manager, it's going to take you to all your videos. Once you're on your videos, okay, I'm going to show you what a completed video looks like. Then I'm going to show you how to monetize YouTube videos for beginners. So as you can see, my videos are monetized. So once it's showing this little green dollar sign here, it means that these videos are all monetized, except for this one video, but I know exactly why it's not monetized, which is fine, I don't mind. Then let me show you what a completed video looks like. And then I'm also going to, let's go to this one, South African News Today. Let's quickly edit this video to show you what a completed video looks like, title, description, tags, all of that, as well as the monetization. So you want to click on the little drop down, info and settings. Then it's going to take you to all the settings. So this is what the completed video looks like. Once it's done, this video is uploaded and it's ranking, I think, #1. When you search for South African News Today or South African News, I think it's ranking #1. Forget about this. This sometimes changes depending on when you've actually entered, or it depends on vidIQ, but forget about these numbers right here for now. So as you can see, in my description, I've got the tag or the title that I want to rank for. In my title, I've got the actual keyword. Sorry, I've got the keyword that I want to rank for, which is South African News Today. That is the keyword that I would like to rank for, and I am ranking for that keyword. Let's quickly have a look. So while I've got you here, let's say South African News Today. It's going to make a difference. Keeping in mind, when you logged into your YouTube channel and you search for keyword, YouTube tends to show your video first. Okay, you gotta like literally log out of YouTube to see the actual rankings or standings of your video. So if I search South African News Today, I'm currently 1, 2, 3. This is a channel, so let's take it as position number 4. Now what I want to do is I want to open a new Ignito window. So try and use Ignito as well. Don't use standard YouTube because Ignito does not take into account previous searches and all of that, which means I'm going to have a problem now because it's still going to see me as logged in. So let's go to normal YouTube. Let's go to normal YouTube. I don't want to confuse you, but rather use Ignito. For now, I'm going to use standard YouTube or standard Google Chrome. And you can see, and you will see that I'm not signed in, but I just want to see when I search on YouTube, where am I currently ranking? So South African News Today, you can see that I'm not signed in. I want to see where I'm ranking for this video. So, okay, I've actually dropped quite a couple of videos. That is weird. Okay, but it's fine. I'll get it back to the top easily. That's not a problem. So let's close this. I'll show you. I'll get this back to the top. Okay, so then in the description, so let's quickly on your keyboard press Control F. Then let's search South African News Today. Then it will show you everywhere that I've entered my keyword. So as you can see, let's quickly increase the size here. I've entered it once in my title. I've entered it 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just going to cancel this quickly. I've entered it 1, 2, 3 times in my description, and then in the tags, it's my very first tag. you've got to make sure that your keyword is your very first tag within your tags. Okay, so I've got that there, and then I've got multiple other keywords. And then that's basically what a completed video looks like. I've got my thumbnail, which is where I uploaded at the bottom when you edit your video, or when you upload, here's it. Download image or change image. If you want to change your thumbnail, you just say change image. Thumbnail, this video is basically completed. Now, how to monetize YouTube videos for beginners. When you click on monetization, automatically once your channel is approved for monetization, you will see that it will show this little green icon to say that it is monetized. And yeah, if you have a look at the monetization here, you will see that this video is monetized for overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, and then I also want to do non-skippable video ads. So I click that non-skippable and I say save changes. Reason being, non-skippable video ads pays more. Yes, it's frustrating. Your actual viewer, like you watching this video, cannot skip the ad. It doesn't matter how long it is, but you get paid more as the YouTube creator. Okay, so I've saved that. Once you've clicked it, you've got to save the changes at the bottom. If you do want to add more ads within your video, so let's say I want to add another video at 2 minutes, then I literally drag this bar here at the bottom, then I say insert ad, then I want to drag the blue one again, not the black one. The blue one, I want to drag it, let's say, up until just above 6 minutes. I want to insert an ad, and then I want to drag it all the way to, let's say, about, let's go to, let's say 12 minutes, roughly. And I say insert ad, then I've got 3 ads, as well as one before the video, and I say save changes. It's going to save the changes and make and apply to my YouTube videos. Then I want to go back to videos. You click back on videos. So like I said, this is Creator Studio Classic. I'm not sure by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to the full Studio Beta version, but it should still be very similar. So as you can see, this video is still monetized. Everything is still monetized. So let's quickly go back, info and settings. I want to show you if it's not monetized. Then you go back to monetization. You click on monetization below your video. You want to click this little bar here. So it will say monetize with ads. You want to make sure that's ticked. Okay. Now, if your channel is not yet monetized, let me show you what you want to do. What you do is you go and hover over channel. You click on channel. Then you will see where it says monetization. So first you go to copyright status, then you've got community guidelines. So these strikes, the more strikes you have against your name, this rates your YouTube channel to a good or a bad. You don't want to get strikes against your name. So that is by using somebody else's content without their consent or approval, or by copying data off of YouTube, putting it in your video. So watch out for that, as well as getting bad reviews, somebody flagging your channel for spam. That's when you comment on other people's videos or other people's comments and you literally just throw your link all over YouTube, but that's basically spam. Okay, then they can also flag you and rate you as spam. So you want to click on monetization, which is this one right here. You will see mine is enabled. You want to click on this where it says view monetization settings. Click on view monetization settings. Then you will see here my account status is monetization has been enabled. Once you click on that and your channel is not yet monetized, you will have to apply for monetization. So mine is already monetized, so the setting or the description will not appear at the bottom, but it will give you 4 steps. The 4 steps that you will have to complete, coming to point number, I think it's point number 4 in the process, is you literally have to click and apply for monetization. Keeping in mind, at this point of watching this video, YouTube's rules and regulations are you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the last year. So in the past 12 months combined, you have to have at least 4,000 hours worth of watch time. So hours, not minutes, hours. Okay, once you've got that, you can either apply for monetization or YouTube will automatically review your channel, and they will say to you, your channel is being reviewed. You have achieved the marks of 1,000 and 4,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours watch time, and they will automatically review your channel. It takes generally about a month or so before they actually approve your channel. They say they will send you an email to say it's been approved, but I never received an email. I literally just went onto YouTube, and as soon as you enter your channel, on the top it will highlight a little blue bar to say that your account has been enabled for monetization. Okay, so that is literally where you go to monetize your YouTube channel. You literally have to go to channel, monetization. I'm going to click monetization once more. Then once you're in monetization, okay, so it automatically just takes me back. Let's go to channel. You have to go to the under the monetization tab. Then you click view monetization settings, and that is where you're going to apply for monetization. Once it's monetized, automatically all your videos, if it's in good standing, will be monetized with YouTube ads. And then you go back to the videos and you can edit them one by one, add more views, more ads, not views, sorry, add more ads. By doing so, keeping in mind, if you add too many ads within your video, it's going to give you a bad retention rate on your videos, which means people does not want to watch your video for too long. Let's say your video is 10 minutes and you've got to add on 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, so many ads that people actually get irritated with all the ads. They leave your video. That's going to give your video a bad overall retention rate. So retention is how long people tend to stay on your videos and on your overall YouTube channel. And that also helps with ranking your videos. Okay, so we've covered monetization, we've covered all other videos, how to edit the video. I'm going to do another video. So this is now step number 9, video number 9. In video number 10, just either on the left or right hand side of this video, click to go to step number 10. It might be the final video of this course or not. I'm quickly going to review to make sure that we've covered basically everything. And then in step number 10, video number 10, I will explain to you what it's going to be that I'm going to explain to you next. Okay, that's it. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in step number 10. Enjoy.